59-year female patient complaining of diminished vision in her left eye. On ultrasound, patient is sent for carotid artery Doppler. On carotid artery Doppler, this is right side and this is common carotid artery. Now doing spectral Doppler. Now this is color box. Spectral angle, Doppler angle 60 degree. This is peak systolic velocity 52 and diastolic velocity 17.33. This is normal. Myointimal thickness about 0.05 centimeter. This is also normal. Now coming to the distal part of the common carotid artery, good filling. Now flow velocity. Peak systolic velocity 80 and diastolic velocity 35.15. This is also normal. Now coming to the, here is the bifurcation. This is the internal carotid artery, this is the external carotid artery. Now this is the external carotid artery. This is the external carotid artery showing peak systolic velocity 67 and diastolic velocity 17. This is normal. Now coming to the internal carotid artery. This is the internal carotid artery. Peak systolic velocity 65 and diastolic velocity 27.16 centimeter per second. Now we look at the internal carotid artery. There is myointimal thickness is increased. This one in the internal carotid artery. This is 0.12 centimeter. In the right internal carotid artery. लिखना भैया. Right internal carotid artery, myointimal thickness 0.12 centimeter, increase in size. So increased thickness, right internal carotid artery, increased myointimal thickness. This one, all the velocity is normal. No thrombus or plaque seen inside. Now coming to the right vertebral artery. This is right vertebral artery. Showing antegrade flow. This is normal. इधर कर लीजिए. पूरा कर लीजिए सर, पूरा कर लीजिए, बस बस सीधे ले जाए सीधे. Now coming to the left side, this is the left common carotid artery, this is the intrajugular vein. By compression, this collapses, fully compressed. Now this is common carotid artery at the base, meningeal thickness. On the left side, 0.08 centimeter. On the left side, good filling. Peak systolic velocity on the left side 38.88. Diastolic and diastolic velocity 13.31 centimeter per second. Now distal, on the distal aspect of the distal portion of the common carotid artery, there is plaque, there is calcified plaque. This one is the calcified plaque in the distal part of the common carotid artery. Meningeal thickness is increased in size. This is also plaque. So this is meningeal thickness with calcified plaque, measuring about 0.54 into 0.67 centimeter. Now see the flow inside. There is complete occlusion. There is complete occlusion of the common carotid artery and its distal part. This is the external carotid artery, this is internal carotid artery. This is the external carotid artery. Peak systolic velocity 50 and diastolic velocity 16.51. in the internal carotid artery. Peak systolic velocity and diastolic velocity 18.11 centimeter. This is the left vertebral artery, antegrade flow, normal. Now we are looking for some other lesion. At the base. So this is a case of left side common carotid artery plaque with complete occlusion. Thank you.